Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to decorate the last weekly spread in my Sterling Ink Common Planner for, I guess, my part one of my A5 Common Planner. So then next week I will be in the, I guess, part two of the Common Planner, so the July to December, and I will be setting that up shortly. But this week I will be using these Garden Girl stickers from the Giving Girl. I love the colors of these. Now I'm just trying to decide which pens I'm going to use. I think I'm going to end up using possibly my Strata Quartz from Silver Burl, which has Sailor Ink Studio 273 in it, and possibly, I'm in another pen case here, possibly my Franklin Christoph, which has the Wearingeul Persephone in it. All right, let's get started. I thought I would incorporate some of According to Allie's Navy alcohol ink so that it doesn't seem so one-dimensional in color. So let's grab some scissors here. And I honestly cannot remember who told me to cut these stickers before I put them on the sticker sheet, but it absolutely helps when I'm trying to lay stickers down and not having to worry about them sticking in the weird places. So maybe let's put this one here. And the second one here. And then I'm gonna do one more, and I know that's not straight, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this one. And I know it's not an exact match for all the stickers, but there is a little bit of like a tiny dark little bit in that floral there that I want to bring out, and it's enough of a contrast color to add some interest to the stickers. So let's move this one here, and then the last one up in the corner. Oops. Put those on this side. Okay. I love Allie's alcohol ink stickers. I need to replenish my stash of them. Okay, so now making sure everything is straight. Okay, then I'm going to place this lovely girl. And it's funny because I am not a gardener at all. I don't even keep plants in the house. Like the plant that I currently have on screen here is fake. So let's see. I can put her, but I don't want her kind of staring off the page. So let's do this. Then I can have the overalls here, and I won't put them straight on. They're going to be a little bit crooked. And then I love these boots. They're so cute. And maybe the boots here. Where are my tweezers? And okay, I'm going to just put a whole bunch of these around the spread. Now I'm trying to decide where to put this. And I'm thinking, oops. Oh, and I tore one of it. It's such a delicate sticker. I tore one of the the little things off. Okay, I'm just gonna place you there. Sorry. Then the smaller stickers. That pail is so pretty. Smaller stickers around the top to add decoration all up there. I love doing this. And actually the gray makes it a little bit more moody, I think. Makes all the stickers look just a little bit more moody. Then the hat, which, yeah, let's put this right here. And then I think I can put this plant down here and the utensils right next to it. And I want to find a quote from According to Allie to add in here. So going back into my stickers from According to Allie, this is her sticker album. I have a different one that has quotes. Oh, that would have worked really well. Why didn't I use that one? Oh, really should organize my stickers better. Okay. Here we go. So we have these quotes. We have warm. So I have quite a few quote stickers. And this is a, I guess, big week for me because I'm starting my new job on Monday, which when you're seeing this, it's Tuesday. I can do amazing things. Now that I'm planning out the week, it's not that I wasn't nervous before, it's just hitting me now that this big change is coming. And it's, wow. You know, the previous company I was with them for almost 9 years. So this is a huge change for me. Do I want a gray or do I want a pink? What happened to that one? Did I take it out? Oh, there. Like peachy. So, no, that won't match. These might. I think this one. Be afraid and do it anyway. Or actually here. There. Okay. That is it for the quote. All right, so now I can go in here and fill in what I need for each day. But first, let's put in a pencil board so that I have something, a stable surface to write on. So first up here on the side, we have, oop, that's coming apart, sleep. Oh, I love that ink already. And this is where I'm keeping track of my sleep score. It's funny, I was just talking to my friend Amanda this morning, talking about sleep and perimenopause. Yes, I am getting to that age. And this week's sleep scores have actually been quite good, other than the night that Lucy kept waking me up in the middle of the night. But generally, they've actually been pretty good the last week and a half. So, and I think part of that has to deal with I've been on vacation. There hasn't really been too much stress this week because I haven't had a job to go to this last week. But we'll see what happens when I start this new job. So this is going to be interesting because the hours are different this week than they normally would be. So I need to double check something. Okay, so let's start with purple. I think for the first day, we are starting with, I guess, onboarding or work. I'm just going to call it work. And the first day is onboarding. And then I think the rest of them are pretty much the same times as well. So schedule, ooh, that is a weird R. Schedule is definitely changing from my 4 10-hour days, but in a good way. And I need blotting paper so I don't smudge anything, because that is also me. Oh my gosh, I really love this ink. Sailor Ink Studio 273. Whoever suggested this ink or recommended this ink to me, thank you very much, because I love it. And actually, it's a lighter ink, but quite legible. Oh, I'm getting nervous while I'm doing this. I'm getting nervous. All right, so then let's just work on my to-do lists for the week. So let's do my usual to-do, which is meal plan and order groceries. Then Tuesday, we are putting the bins out in the evening. So I'm taking out some of my mini icons. And there we go. Garbage can mini icons. I love these because they fit right where I want them to. Ooh, my hands are shaking. Right where I want them to within the hourly of the common planner. So put out garbage. I might also be shaking because I had 2 cups of coffee this morning already. Okay, nothing on when. Oh, it's the kids' last day of school, and I think my parents are picking them up, but I need to confirm that before I write down anything here. Then Thursday, Rob is picking up the groceries. So this feels like a kind of all over the place plan with me because it's a new routine for us. So I'm excited, nervous. I feel like you can hear it in my voice. Pick up groceries. And then Friday evening, not sure what the plan is yet. And then Saturday, only plan that we have for Saturday, well, other than cleaning. So let's get the cleaning sticker. Pause. And, oh, okay, clean. So Saturday we will do our cleaning, starting from, let's say 9. So we'll have bathrooms and vacuum and the garbage bins, windows, and my daughter will mop the floor. And I think we have plans to see Inside Out 2 on that day, but the movie tickets aren't for sale yet, so we don't exactly know what time we're going as of yet. Then we have the kids' activities on Sunday. So 11:30 to 12:30 is Henry at Ninja. And then 11:30 to 1 is Robin at badminton. I know, it's funny, R at bad. And then the last thing I'm going to do is my habits down here. I have been good at listening to my audiobook this last week. I actually even finished one of my audiobooks, but I need to get back into actually reading my other book and also meditating. Because I do find that the meditation helps me, and I think that in a week such as this, I will definitely need it. All right. Oh, sorry. And I know that was loud. And let's put these stickers away. And then I'm going to put the last few stickers left from the Giving Girl sticker sheet and put them around. So there's just a few of the smaller stickers left. So now that I've put my plans out everywhere, it'll be easier to know where to place these. Whoops. And I feel like it's a big week because there's a lot of change happening. I'm changing to a new planner. I've got to get working on new releases because they have to go out. I say they have to go out, but I'm going to be releasing them on the 5th of July because I want to be able to pack orders that weekend rather than release them the following week when I'm going to be in Portland for the Pacific Northwest Pen Show. Gosh, I can't believe that's coming up already. I've been speaking with Stacy, the organizer of the event, for months now, and I can't believe it's 3 weeks away. Like this time in 3 weeks, the show will actually be ending. Or it'll be on its last day, and I will be hosting my last, or my second of the 2 classes. Oh gosh. Oh, there's a lot happening, and I'm making myself nervous talking about it. Work. Oh, I like actually adding these smaller stickers there. And it's so satisfying finishing a sticker sheet. Perfect. All done. All right, so let's tidy up. All right, there is the overall finished spread. I really like it. Although now that I'm seeing it, it feels really crowded down here, but I don't actually really use this corner area for anything. So it's fine to have that many stickers there because I'm really not up past 11 anyway. So it all works out. Wish me luck this week, everyone. Or at least like some calming vibes, because even as I'm filming this on Sunday morning, I'm like, ugh, but I'm probably slightly jittery as well because I've already had 2 cups of coffee and I had pre-workout. All right, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.